Hi, I am Sophie Viger. I am majoring in mechanical engineering with a biomedical engineering minor, and I am from Campbell, Minnesota. In my research, we use compression molding to incorporate beeswax and lidocaine into a knee joint replacement. We use beeswax and lidocaine to fight off infection and provide local pain relief. At NDSU, the research environment is better than most research environments, I would say, because they let everyone be a part of the process. When I first started as a researcher, I was very scared, very timid on everything. I didn't talk very much. I guess that changed by getting to know people, putting my voice in. This experience will help me by, well, for one, getting a job in the future. I have great people that I can put on my resume as references. Through this experience, the communication aspect of this is going to be very beneficial to my future. People might not think research is as important as an internship, but I think it really helps as well to be involved and think outside of the box. I would like more people to know about the opportunities that they can have at NDSU.